One of the most notable aspects of iOS 18 is the redesigned control center. Thanks to the full-on customization, you can now design your control center by rearranging icons, adjusting the size of buttons, and even choosing from a massive library of ready-made controls. But what if you have messed up your control center with too many icons and now want to reset everything to the default? Don't worry, as there is a pretty neat workaround through which you'll be able to reset the iPhone control center. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get us started, first we have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to choose General. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then you have to choose Reset. And then you have to choose Reset All Settings. And then you have to enter your device passcode and confirm the action. It's worth pointing out that there is no separate way to reset the control center. Hence, you'll have to factory reset your entire device if you want to design your control center from scratch. But bother not, as it won't harm any of your media and data. So make sure to keep this important thing in your mind, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily reset your iPhone control center in iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.